So I'm going. All right, we're back over here at Westgate's Beach. We pulled in here and all of a sudden it's looking pretty gnarly. Well, the camera makes it look not even bad, but it actually looks kind of limited visibility of like 100 feet. But why'd that just now kick on?
I just put it on.
Oh, I had it on feet as well, so my feet will.
Sorry.
Holy crap! Look, you can't even see it in front of you. This just happened all of a sudden.
Alright, give me it.
No, I'm already doing it. We just got a little walk here with Gator. Alright. Whoa, 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 wait, which way do we go? He's getting excited. Do you want to park down where we've been parking, or do you want to park over there?
Over there, probably.
Yeah, I kind of like to park over there more. Hold on, Tomato. Into a storm here. Get the boat launch. Isn't that weird? It was clear until literally we pulled in here.
Wow.
Now it's like a whiteout. Yeah. Gator! Kratos, come here! Holy crap. See what I mean though? Once we're on the inner part of it, the trees are gonna block it. You see right here? Trees are blocking. What do you think, Kratos? You got snow on your face? Wait, Kratos, come here. Let me see the snow. Look at your face, buddy. Alright. Look at the lake, dude. Holy crap. I don't know if the camera accurately depicts just how gnarly it is out here. Especially because it's a GoPro, such a wide angle. But, oh my gosh, here goes Kratos! Gator, Tomato, what's up, buddy? Crazy out here, dude. Head back. Tomato! Careful, it's icy right there. Right here. Tomato! Alright, we're headed back to the car, I think. Mom's not doing that great. I I think we get to the car from this way. I honestly don't think the camera shows just how freaking gnarly it is out here. Woo! Come here, buddy, let's go through this grass. Oh my gosh, look at Kratos' face! Kratos! Are you okay, buddy? Are you okay, dude? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's my fault we came out here. Probably should have come out here today. Holy crap. Whoa, oh my gosh. His face looks like that. Come here, buddy. Over here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, I see the car. I'm lost back there. Look at this stupid face. Kratos, wait, look at your face, dude. Holy crap. Alright, come on, buddy. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Come here, buddy. I must wait. We'll pick her up with the car. Alright, come on, dude. Holy crap. Woo! Alright, let's see if we can go pick Mom up. I don't know if she's gonna make it over here. No, wait! I'll come get you with the car! Just seek shelter! She's looking around like, where am I gonna get shelter from? Holy crap. Oh, my friggin' pants. Holy crap, dude. Oh my gosh, look at my face. Dude. That's just straight from getting pelleted. Oh, wait, it's already frozen. Get the frost going. Alright. Oh, here goes Mom now. We'll back up to her. Hey! She went past the car. Oh, her glove. Oh, that's my glove. Thanks, Mom. Thanks. I'm gonna put the camera here so hopefully she doesn't notice it's on her seat. Just get her reaction when she gets in. Thanks.
Dylan,
Yeah.
you don't do shit like this without proper gear.
Oh.
I probably lost my eyesight.
Look at Kratos' face, Mom.
You guys left me
No,
for dead.
look at no, we went to go
Yeah,
get the
we
car
left me for
for you.
dead.
We went to go get the car. Look at Chris's face. Do you see his face? Kratos.
I know I have frostbite on my cheek because it's hot. So you know you have frostbite.
We're back, and Gator doesn't want to go in. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Get your ass in there. Get your ass in there, boy. Get your butt in there. Get your butt in there, boy. Right now. Get your butt in there. Get your butt in there. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I got you. I got you, boy. I got you, son. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Now, get him in there.